अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों। आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन के ऊपर है। प्लस यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन का लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म कैसे फाइंड करना है। यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन हम कुछ इस तरह डिफाइन करते हैं। यू ऑफ टी माइनस ए इक्वल टू 0 if t is less than a and 1 if t greater than or equal to a। अगर हम a को 0 ले तो यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन become if a equal to 0 then university function become like this 0 and 1 will be remain same and t is less than 0 if t is greater than or equal to 0। अब हम कुछ एग्जांपल लेते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन के ऊपर और इसका हम लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म फाइंड करेंगे। एग्जांपल नंबर 1, what will be the Laplace transform of u of t minus a? So what will be the Laplace transform of u of t minus a, which is equal to Laplace of u of t minus a will be equal to integration from 0 to infinity e power minus st into u of t minus a into dt. Now split this integration from 0 to a into e power minus st into u of t minus a, and this interval from 0 to a will be equal to 0 into dt plus integration from a to infinity e power minus st into 1 dt. This becomes 0 plus now take the integration of e power minus st, which is equal to e power minus st divided by minus s integration from a to infinity. When we put here infinity, which is equal to 0, and minus will be come a formula, and then put a, which will be equal to e power minus as divided by minus s. So it equal to e power minus as divided by s. The Laplace transform of university function equal to e power minus as divided by s. इस तरह अब हम एक दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं। इसमें हम ये भी सीखेंगे कि पीसवाइज फंक्शन को कैसे यूनिवर्सिटी फंक्शन को कन्वर्ट करना है। एग्जांपल, f of t equal to k and minus k when t is in between 1 and 4 and minus k when t is in between 4 and 6. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट this university function into piecewise function into university function, which will be equal to f of t equal to k into u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 4 minus k into u of t minus 4 minus u of t minus 6. Now apply the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t will be equal to k into Laplace transform of u of t minus 1 minus Laplace transform of u of t minus 4 into minus k into Laplace transform of u of t minus 4 minus Laplace transform of u of t minus 6. Which is equal to k. What is the Laplace transform of u of t minus 1, which is equal to e power minus as? E power minus s divided by s minus what is the Laplace transform of u of t minus 4, which is equal to e power minus 4s divided by s minus k. And what is the Laplace transform of u of t minus 4, which is equal to e power minus 4s divided by s minus what is the Laplace transform of u of t minus 6, which is equal to e power minus 6s divided by s. Now take common k from these all terms, which is equal to e power minus s divided by s minus 2 e power minus 4s divided by s minus e power minus 6s divided by s. So this is our little bit talk on Laplace transform of unit step function. We take two examples on unit step function and take its Laplace transform. So if our video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe our channel for upcoming lectures on Laplace transform and other topics on higher mathematics. Thanks.